Nice, I love it. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. You know what happened? Sometimes I give you guys like a recipe and the next time, you know what I mean, I don't give you a recipe. But anyway, today I decide I want to share this recipe with you guys and you know what I mean, and the Chef Ricardo cooking show, you know. I got some extra ripe banana left over and I want to say to myself, I'm going to make a nice little punch for the fans. Very simple and easy recipe where you can make this one at home. First of all, 2 fingers of ripe banana inside of your ninja blender or your smoothie blender, where you want to call it. 2 fingers of only ripe banana, that's all you need. Double ripe banana. If you notice what I'm doing, break them up, put it straight inside of it. Alright, get a pack of oats. So you put the oats inside of it like this. This will be working out to about roughly about 3-4 tablespoons of oats. Inside of it, so we got the oats in it. I might just, you know what, I'm gonna put another pack of oats inside of it. So let's use 3 packs of oats inside of it. Alright. Then we have some Ola milk. A glass of Ola milk inside of it. Lovely. Get some ice. Yeah. Not only that, also we're going to put a teaspoon of honey in it. And a teaspoon of chocolate, mixed chocolate, alright? 1 teaspoon, not too much enough. Just a teaspoon. Then what you're going to do is blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. I don't know how fast your blender is, but my one is very quickly. So I'm gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys? Nice and lovely. So remember that this is Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, not the Juice Bar channel, this one. So he just decided to share something with the fans today. And this one is really amazing. Take a good look. Take a good look, guys. You see that? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Don't play with Chef Ricardo when I'm in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe, your favorite ideas, and you know what I mean? You just have to just be creative when you're in the kitchen. Really creative. And all I have to do is just put this on it and serve it. Really nice. If you got some fresh mint, you can put a few fresh mint there. That's fine. Look a bit of color. All these things, you know. Really nice recipe, guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas. Will definitely come for the fans. As I can see, oats, ripe banana, chocolate, milk, ice, honey, blend it. You can put even an extra egg in it. It's really amazing recipe.